G'day guys, welcome back to another trail building video. In this video, we'll be working on this jump here. What's wrong with it? Well, it's just too small and short. If you look up the trail, we've got two massive drops which you carry a lot of speed from. And then you go over the roller and yeah, way too much speed for this little jump. So I'm probably going to move it a metre back, make it bigger, and I might also build a bit of a hip because down the trail, kind of come around the small berm into that jump there. So if I build a hip on the landing a bit, hopefully it's just more of a smooth transition. So let's get to it. So I fixed up the lip a little bit more, just made it bigger. Now I'm going to start working on this landing here, but I have to be careful because I can't move this landing too far back because I've got a fire road here. So I think the furthest I can kind of move it back is probably about here, which is roughly a metre. So I'll do that now. So I just finished this landing here and I've built it on a slight hip, which then will set you up better for that jump just there. So I've also reshaped this berm here, and I might do the same with this bottom bit. I might just make it a bit steeper, taller and longer, just so it's easier to then hit this jump here, just so you don't wash out. So I'll do that now. So the berm is now mostly done. It's only a very small berm, but just enough to sort of keep you on the track. And it's just about to pour down. So I'm going to get out of here and we're going to test ride this another day. So it's another day and I'm back here at the jumps. So after all the rain, the jumps actually feel pretty solid, which is awesome. So I'm going to give it a test ride and hopefully it rides all right. And I might put the carpet on just so it protects the jumps a bit more. So let's do it. So I just did the jump twice and it was a bit steep, so I'm just going to get a shovel to mellow it out a bit, just so it runs a bit smoother. So I've just mellowed the jump out and let's test it and see if it rides better. So after adjusting the jump a little bit, it rides much better. It's still a little bit kicky, but it isn't too bad. And that's the end of the video. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.